guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's nice to have you. Feel free to check out my other YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. Alright, so we're going to be making a sweet potato and broccoli salad. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to steam our sweet potatoes. I probably use about 3 to 4 sweet potatoes here. We're going to steam some broccoli, and we're also going to steam some frozen peas and carrots. We're going to steam everything until it's nice and soft. Guys, if you're interested in this steamer that I use this very often to steam all my veggies and ground provisions. I will leave a link in the description that you can click on in order to purchase. Alright, so let's season our salad. So I am using Lawry's seasoned salt. Of course, you can use whatever seasonings you prefer. You know, everyone has their own taste and preference. I also added some dried oregano as well to my own. I used lemon pepper seasoning, something I made myself, so I would leave a link in the description showing you how I made my lime pepper. I also added some dill. I added dry dill, but you can add fresh dill if you wish, or if you don't like dill, well, then you just leave it out. And of course, I also added veganese, but if you prefer, you can just add mayo. Guys, if you enjoyed this inspirational idea, then don't forget to give the video the thumbs up.